Hi, Sarah from Sarah Homfray Embroidery here, and it's time to pick a winner. So we are giving away this pack of silk threads to one lucky person, and if you haven't seen it yet, our video all about the silk threads and how to use them, some hints and tips on what to look for and how to choose them and how to use them in your embroidery, you can find that up here. Have a look at that video up here. And if you're watching this and thinking, oh, I didn't have a chance to join in the competition, then do make sure you're subscribed to the channel and click that little bell so you get a notification of when we upload a new video. So all we asked you to do was to just reply in the comments below the video with the words silky smooth, and we do enjoy reading them, so I just said try and do something a bit imaginative, and we had some really great comments. Lots of poems. The poems were fantastic, and you really all made an effort, and it was really a lot of fun reading them, and I know you've all joined in the conversation with that, so thank you for doing that. That did make my day to read all of those. So I think it's time to pick our winner. So well done, Karen McDuff. These threads are going to be on their way to you. I will reply to your comment underneath the video, so do make sure you check that out and let us know where you live so we know where we can send these to you. So we have got a free design for you to have a go at as well. I mentioned that in the video, a free mandala design. That's for everyone. It's on our free page on our website. You can download that now and have a go at it. And for those of you who are our members and our patrons, we've got a special video coming for you of me stitching the mandala design in those silk threads that were featured in the video. That's coming very soon. So if you want to get your hands on that, do make sure you're signed up to either our Patreon page or our YouTube membership. So thank you to everybody for joining in and leaving me your really fabulous comments. I did enjoy those. We've got more stuff to give away. I've got a little box down here with some stuff in it, so do keep watching for more giveaways, and I'll see you in the next video.